This is Spooky. Spooky's doing a happy dance because Spooky's getting attention. What a sweetheart. And Spooky's purring away. Yeah. Spooky was playing with toys before. Loves playing with toys, and now it's more like cuddle time, huh? Now it's time for affection. My playtime's over. So now I'd like to settle down. Hello. Hello. Yeah, why do I so sure you're settling down, huh? I bet you would just like to start playing with toys again, wouldn't you? You were having a nap when I came to see you. Hi, Spooky. You are a doll. What a nice kitty. A nice kitty, Spooky. I'll see ya. Bye. Yeah, I'm afraid you're gonna fall out. Yeah. Oh, good cat. Hi, Spook.